Hello world, it's September 10th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Attackers can escalate eights via Microsoft Active Directory Domain Services Flaw. Adobe Flaw CVE opens door to hackers targeting customer accounts. 45 previously unknown domains reveal Salt Typhoon cyber espionage campaign. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Nexar Dashcam video database hacked, exposing user footage and sensitive data. Cornwell Tools breach exposed, SSNs, medical and financial data of 104K people. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. Apple iPhone Air and iPhone 17 feature A19 chips with enhanced memory security. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.